Kids, I'm very glad that you joined us for this video. If you like it, please remember, post a comment on our classroom site. Okay, so first one here, learning target 3A. We definitely don't want to do 2 minus 4 right away. We want to get this 2 out of there, so I have to subtract 2 from both sides. So now I have negative 4, and remember that says times the absolute value of x plus 5. And then on this side, it's negative 10 minus 12, so that'll be a negative 12. We're working here to get this absolute value all by itself. So I have to divide both sides by negative 4. Undo this multiplication with division. Don't add here, which some of us are doing. So now I have the absolute value of x plus 5, and that is equal to a positive 3. Well, now I'm ready to do my split because it makes sense that whatever's inside could be 3, or it could be negative 3 to be true here. So I'm going to say x plus 5 could be 3, or x plus 5 could be negative 3. So then I just solve each of those and I get my 2 answers. So I'm going to get answers here of negative 2 for one of them. And then when we subtract 5 to both sides there, we get negative 8 for our other answer. All right, so now this one here, the first thing we need to do is divide by 4. Because that gets the absolute value alone right there. So I divide by 4. Now I have the absolute value of 2x plus 3 equal to 6. And then I do the 2x plus 3, here's my split, equals positive 6, or that expression 2x plus 3 on the inside could be negative 6, 2 different scenarios. So now it's just again solve each of them. I get 2x equal to 3, divide by 2 to both sides, and I get 3 halves, or 1.5. And then subtract 3 to both sides there. I get 2x equals negative 9. Divide by 2 to both sides, and that would be negative 9 over 2. All right, next one here. Can't have it, can't have it. I need you to understand that if we have an absolute value equal to a negative number, okay? If this is happening, there's nothing you can put in here because anything you put in there will become positive. So I can immediately see here that this would be no solution. Typo on my part, I apologize. No solution to that problem. No real solution. Okay, so on this one here, I want to subtract 4 to both sides right off the bat. I don't have to worry about anything out front. All I do is that maneuver. So x minus 1 equals 0. Little wrinkle here, because you'll be like, oh, x minus 1 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals negative 0. That doesn't make any sense. So actually, when the right side is 0, you're only going to get one answer. So you'll get x equals 1 because the other answer would be the exact same thing. So we have one answer. I hope this helped.